They're really like thankful.
It's like
so thankful to the community and everything.
it's like a total financial burden has been lifted off of them because they thought that they were just gonna have to sink a lot of money to fix the house, and now that we're getting it done for them, they feel freer, not so restrained and worried.
I could not have done this in 20 years, but they're coming to
10 days.
in 10 days. They've given me a new life.
We're so completely grateful to everybody, all the volunteers and all the businesses that have donated stuff so that we can have a new home.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
You mean like you too? To the church and the community.